Hannah. So I logged into Katrina's account, and for some reason it was giving me a hard time, but I was able to finally get in. So if you go up here to accounts, you hit my account, my benefits, if it'll pull it up, my internet connection, it's on daycare. Come on, Senor. There we go. You click on my benefits. This is where you're going to find the $20 product credit. So here it is right here. And so I'm going to go ahead and input her order. And I'm actually going to go back up. I'm going in my text messages right now to look at her order. So all-in organizer, an elephant parade. And let's see. Here we go. All-in organizer in the elephant parade. My mother's internet, sorry. The daycare's internet is like super slow. Come on. Let's go. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to add that to the cart. We're going to hit view cart, and now we hit begin checkout, and it needs to be under Tracy's party. So we're going to change party. We're going to go to Stacy. There's a Stacy, but no Tracy. Huh. Interesting. Well, let me text you about that actually real quick. So I just texted you. Which one? I think it's Stacy, but I thought you said Tracy. Yeah, no, I saw Tracy's party earlier. Actually, you know what? Let me go. Tracy's party. Okay, I'm actually going to go into your account while I am here. Oh, son of a gun. Hold on. I forgot. Because I'm logged in here. So I'm going to have to log out of this. Seriously? Come on, computer. You're faster than that. You're a brand new Mac. Like, seriously? Here we go. Okay. So my account. Hold on one second. I'm just going to have to log out of here really quick. So sign out. I am officially signed out of Katrina's account. Leave that there. Go back. There we go. Okay, so trying to get into your account. Okay, so I'm gonna go to virtual office. Sorry, I'm popping my fingers. I'm gonna go to parties because I'm wondering. Tracy's party. Yep. So it was closing on 10/1. usually what I do for the parties is I typically, um, okay, so I typically go in here and I do the end date to be the 31st or whatever the last day of the month is. So for Tracy's, I'm going to go ahead and do it 10/31. That way everybody has enough time to order and you don't have to worry about going back in and extending the order or the end date. So I changed it to 10/31 and then I'm going to log out of here and I'm going to go back to your back to your page. Sorry, my daughter's coming in the bathroom. What are you doing, Ray? Come in here. Shut the door. Shut the door. Sorry, my daughter's in here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Katrina. So CAKATHEN. Did you drop a horsey? Let's see if that will let me in. Okay, so I logged in with her info. Hey, stop. Sorry, my daughter's trying to get into. For some reason, I'm having like a really hard time, and I'm wondering if it's because. Okay, sweet, you do not need to touch the water. Sorry, my daughter's like turning the water on. Because I usually have it logged into mine, but it keeps logging me into that account. Go back out there and help Mimi. Still on daycare. Don't know why it's not doing it. Let's just try this. Go back in here. I'm getting horrible reception in this daycare right now. Like, there we go. Let's try it again. Stop. You keep taking that off. That's not nice. Ray? No, I said you need to stop. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. Let's try this again. I don't know why it's taking forever to load, but it is.
It is?
Can't seem to find the page you're looking for. Of course not.
Oh. Oh.
What is it doing? Hold on, I'm gonna have to go somewhere else and see if I can get connection. Hold on, I'm literally walking into my mother's mudroom right now. Come on, let's go. You can come with me. And don't get into everything, please. I would appreciate that. Sorry, my daughter is like off the chain. Okay, so it looks like it finally logged into her account. I'm assuming it was something with my mother's daycare room. So we go to my account, and this is where you're going to find the My Benefits. You'll click on My Benefits. That is her product credit. So, and she wanted an all-in organizer. Hold on, I'm texting. Okay, so from what you sent me, Hannah, I'm going back up. She just wanted an all-in organizer elephant parade. So I've got the elephant parade and I'm adding it to the cart, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit view cart. And then, oh, it had 2 in there.
Go away.
Do you need to get in here, Ash? You can. It's fine. I'm just making a video for her. You're fine.
Oh, I thought you were live.
Oh, no. Even if I was live, it's okay. You're fine. I'm just making a video for her real quick. So we hit begin checkout. And then phone number. I just got her phone number. So let me see. Oh, is the door unlocked? Oh, there is an extra key because I found the extra key. Hold on one second. So I got to change the party to Tracy.
I don't want to have one.
Ah, there it is. There you go. You're welcome. Okay, and then here's Tracy's party. We'll hit continue. Ship to Tracy for the cheapest shipping option. Option, yeah. Then we'll hit no thanks for the 31 gives. This is where you're going to find your product credit. So this right here is where you will find the person's product credit. You click on there. There it is right there. You hit apply. And then it has a remaining balance of 0. So we're all good there. And then I will put in your card info, Hannah, and then we will go from there. But that is how you do it. So I will send this to you right now and let me know if you have any questions, okay?